So welcome guys to White Coders, and today is the 12th day of a 100 days code challenge, and we are yet stuck on the same shitty array problem. So basically I have searched some things, and this is the same thing that we did. I mean, why would it happen if I just used while t minus minus and it won't if I use the for loop? Okay, I guess for loop can increase time complexity, but it's not that much. Never mind. Let's just see practice section for monk, and this is that problem. Okay, so let's just try to do it. Please, please, for God's sake, please. If this passes all tests. What? 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 Uh, Wait a minute. Okay, so this is the day 11 CPP. We just compare it, and I'll just shift it to the left. Yeah. Okay. So this is at day 11. This is my code with some changes. Tried to copy the same style, but let's just see. Okay, so we initialize our test cases, take the test cases. Okay, so then what we do is we firstly we just initialize our n and k. That's nothing. So now until I smaller than tc, we do I plus plus. That's the same thing anyway. And now see, it takes the number, initializes the array here, and we take the number and the rotation at once, and then initialize our array. And then for it's the same thing, it just uses I and I use j. Okay, and then yeah, that's the same scene numbers. I temp1, I initialized the temp1 because I thought there must have been some issue with directly using it inside it. So I initialized temp. Oh, why do I read int as initialize? I initialize an integer temp1, uh, and then no, and then again I use for loop for j is equals to 0. The same here, I is equals to 0. Uh, j must be smaller than n. I'm smaller than I plus j plus plus. That's same thing. And then what I do is I do the same thing, that I and minus k percentage n. Okay, that's the same in a number, and I just print it out. And how the fuck can it not work? Sorry for my language, but what? What? Let me test this. Okay, I'll initialize things here as well. Here only. Let's just see if this works now. I'm goddamn sure that it won't. I know. You know, it's the same thing. It's a freaky same thing. Okay, let's just see what this does. If I just go home and toggle this up. Okay, let's just do it. Sorry. Now you guys, I'll just let you compare how can this code not work. I mean, it's totally same. It does the things same. I use the same formula that is defined, and so why would it not work? I'll keep this quote. I'll try to ask it to my teacher now. Not right now, but later on. Let's just submit it and get stuff done. I don't know what is wrong here. P is equals to a plus I and initialized integer initialized, everything is done properly. Oh, I don't even know. Okay. Monk and invention. Monk's best friend Micro happens who happened to be an awesome programmer got him an integer matrix of, oh no, with matrices. Oh no. Oh my god. I'm of size and into, and for his birthday Monk is taking coding classes from Micro. They have just completed array inversion and Monk was successfully in writing a program to count the number of inversions in an array. Now Micro has asked Monk to find out the number of inversions in matrix M. Number of inversions in a matrix defined as the number of 100 pairs of cells. Monk is facing some trouble with this task, and since you did not got him any birthday gift, you need to help him with this task. First line consists of a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. Second first line of each test case consists of one integer denoting n. Following n lines consist of n space in separated integers denoting the matrix M. Okay, so it's to a 3 by 3 matrix. Inversion in the matrix M. Like I need to do maths now. Practice matrices. Gigs for gigs is the only, only, oh, up, up. Computer typing random keys on computer which ultimately compiles a falling matrix like simulation. Falling matrix on the console using C plus plus. Ooh, okay, this is quite interesting, and I really wanna try this out now. Fun. Okay, I guess no. Yeah, here. Let's just create fun. Okay, I think you need to be close now. Done. I know I have still have to do the matrix thing left to do. I'll first write that whole sum in the book and understand it because I'm weak in maths. and it's so poor of me. And now I feel like I should have attended more maths lectures and should have paid more attention. But never mind, it's not late even though now I can program. That's what matters. I am a hack boy. I'm a hack boy. Boy, 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 boy. Hack boy. Let's just stop this now. Felt like a hacker for 5 seconds. Not in 5 seconds actually. That was not green in color. I can see that all of these competitive sites owners are Indians. Hacker Rank, Gigs for Gigs, Code Chef, but you might not see many Indians on the leaderboard though. I'm not complaining about India. Indians are quite scholars, not just about India. Every has its own benefits, but there's a hype in India that not now. There was a hype later back that people used to just rush for software engineering without knowing what was in that. And that's kind of crazy because of that now the unemployment status of software engineers is quite large in the market in India especially. So India is a I can just say that India is a shitty place for internships because or even part-time jobs because they pay you so less you won't even believe. I guess it's like $50 a month. Yeah, according to you dollars, it will be $50 a month, and that's shitty less. Okay, done with pep talks. Let's get started with this problem. Okay, not this. Hmm. Hmm. Moving on. Let's get started. Hmm. I guess I know that I'm gonna spend my whole hour in solving this question only. So, hmm, that's it. Hash include math.h. As per the sum, what we need to do is we need to compare test cases. Cells that Mij should be greater than PQ, that is 1 2 should be greater than 2 3. As we see here, the x1 uh, x1 to now to find out the number of inversion matrices. Number of inversion matrices, find number of unordered pair of cells. This 1 1 1 2 1 3, okay. M of 1 1 should be. And how will I implement a matrix in this? Okay, got it. It's just initializing it like this. Okay. Yeah, cool. the zeroth row, that is basically a first row. I've never implemented a matrix in my whole life, and also I hate matrices. It's not like I hate matrices, but I hate matrices. I is equal to 0, then finally I can take inputs in this. Now let's just, so we have n number of pairs, n number of m into n rows, m into m rows. Okay, so what does this mean is that mij should be smaller than mpq. One eternity later. Guys, I'm still wondering. Okay, m11 is greater than m3, okay, and m11 is greater than, let's see the implementation as I don't know how to do it. Matrix. Oh my god. The only thing now is that I was first I wasn't even understanding the questions what it were, and now I'm able to understand questions and as well as try to solve them. As I'm just starting, I don't think myself that I'll be able to solve things so quickly, but with time I guess I'll improve. Wait, let's just see the code. Okay, he did CTN. Okay, IJKXY. He took N. C is equal to 0 for I is equal to 0 smaller than N. N is the number. Okay. Okay, created an array. Okay. For I is equal to I is smaller than N, I plus plus J. For Y, I don't think. Okay, so firstly it'll be like for I is equal to 0. So array of I and 0 0. I'm damn sleepy. Trying to understand what's actually happening. Out. Considering I have a 3 by 3 array. So basically I is 0, J is 0, K is 0 and Y is 0. So I should be smaller than N considering our N is 3 here. I'm taking a 3 by 3 array, so our N is 3. So if array starts with 1 considered, so it will be first like array of 0 1 2 0 1 2. Okay, so 0 0, that is 4, would go with array of ij. Okay, 0 0, that is again 4, so it's not equal condition unsatisfied. So now what happens is that array xy turns 1. No, firstly y turns 1, then goes x, then goes j. Oh my god. Okay, so now x stays 0 and y goes 1. it should be smaller than array of 0 0. Okay, now and 0 1 considered in my is 6, and that is 4. Let's learn about unordered pairs firstly. So it says that the number of unordered pairs of cells. Okay, I want to tell you that Geeks for Geeks is the best site. If you know what are you searching for, if you know what are you doing, because this site is so freaking big that sometimes people get lost. Like, what are we doing here? Where do we start from? So basically, it's the best site to learn from. Next must be okay. So there are three main key points, I guess. That is x1 should be x1, x2, y1, y2. So honor pairs are okay. Okay, so I understand this now. So it just what it does is it just keeps on rotating 1 and 0 values. If that got it. As you can see, I just skipped time to understand what is happening and all of that stuff. I just initialize I, J, K, I and J and X and Y. Y is equals to 0. I should be smaller than M I plus plus. So J is equals to 0. It should be smaller than M. Okay, let's just see how does it work in action. I won't actually do things. For X is equals to I, is smaller than m, plus plus. So y would equals to j. Okay, okay, that's a one liner. That will solve the sum. Now let's move on to a next question. Not next question, let's see what actually happens. How does that work? So I'll just see out matrix, and then it will be, it can be x, y, copying it all over again. No, I don't think. Copy this again. And then again copying all of this again. Also, I want to know the count. Well, what I'll do is equals to is equals to matrix of x and matrix of y, and then this spaces and stuff, and also semicolon, and then again I'll use is equals to all that stuff, and then matrix of ij I comma j. Okay, okay, this seems quite fine now. Let's just see how will that work. Wait a minute. Cnt, okay. Initialize them. Okay, I'm done. Then the matrix created. Is equals to 0. I don't know why is it even not happening. But 1, 4, 4, 4. Okay, I guess I'm. That was given to us. C. Okay, T. We take it. We take N. Okay, we don't take M. That is the problem. We are not taking M. This should solve whatever issues we were having earlier. Okay, so it goes all the way from for 0, 0 to each one of them, and let's see how does this program actually works. Mm, let's just see 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 5, 9, 8, 7, 2, 2. So it will just check that. Okay, I got it now. For every number, it will check with all of the numbers and see. Got it, bro. I got it. Yeah, I think count here would be better. Okay, we can see these are 12 lines. That's perfect. Now let's just check it out. It took me some time to understand, but man, this is helping me clear my maths concepts as well. So, guys, if you think you're weak in maths just like me, don't get disheartened or discouraged because of this. Because I guess as I've read or seen, and people told me that maths requirements are that you need to understand some simple maths like linear algebra and all of that stuff. Not too not too high, but just a basic understanding all of this will help you get through this. Hey, but me up and up, trying to just test it out. Hope so. Hmm, it did get accepted. And by the way, what I have done new today is that you need to take these constraints a lot too seriously. As I did not even see that n must be 20 and I initialized the array, but later on I found it. Okay, so that's what it is. Not txt cpp. So today I learned about array rotation finally, and I still don't understand why the heck it won't work with the same code that I wrote, but it'll work with the same code that the YouTube guy wrote. I'll just make a check with all of my friends that if I'm missing something or maybe something is wrong in my code. rotation. Finally figured it out, although for you to YT guys. Wrote exact same code, still it did not. Never mind. Take a look at some of the writings, I guess. I'm gonna start with this. Let's learn about worst cases, best cases, and all of that. Okay, guys, I'm feeling a lot sleepy, and I don't think I'll be able to even do some stuff around. I haven't been sleeping properly since days now. I actually have to code this bot, and it's still left. I hope so. I hope so. I do it today. Never mind. Let's just turn it off. I've been coding the whole day behind this. Hopefully someday I'll be able to write the whole of this thing in C++. That's what I want. Make it fast as. Okay guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye. Peace.